Welcome back. Today again come up with another video, and today's video is about this JCB Backhoe. This one is not starting, so now I'm going to check it why it is not starting. So most of time the starting problem occurred in the fuse box. There is a one fuse box near the engine, so most of time problem occurred there. So first I will check that area, that fuse box. Maybe there is a problem, so first I check that one, and then I will, if there is not problem, then I will go to the other areas. This one is a fuse box about which I was talking. This one is installed near the engine under the arm of the bucket, and whenever starting problem is occurred, so most of times the problem occurred due to this fuse box. So now here you can see its condition is no good. It's need to change because fuse are burned here inside this fuse box. So I am going to change this fuse box, and also I will fix new fuses, and hope after changing this fuse box and fixing the new box my problem will solve. So please be with me, and I'm going to change it. So here you can see I have removed this fuse box. Okay, so now I'm going to change it. Here you can see here are the two sockets. This one a blue socket and this one is a gray socket. Okay, so I will remove also these sockets, and this one is a battery wire. Okay, so I will first remove change these sockets, and also this grip for the grip of the wires which are coming from the battery. So as you can see, this fuse box is burnt very badly. Okay, so without changing, this problem will not solve. So this also the fuses legs also burnt inside. So therefore is need to change. Without changing, problem will not solve. So this one is coming battery cable here. I remove this cover. So I remove this cover. So here you can see there's too much dirt is inside. So also I will make free this wire, and after I'll fix new boxes here. So here you can see, and off camera I will remove this bolt and let you know when I fix new one. So as you can see, I have removed this old fuse box from here. So here you can see this one is a blue socket, this one is a burnt. Okay, so here you can see this is a burnt, and this one is this is a gray one. Okay, this gray one. So here with me you can see here is a blue socket and gray socket, and here are terminal. This D terminal I will fix to the here in this wire, and I fix these terminal in these two sockets. So after I will show you how we can fix all things out here. And here third one, here is battery wire. Okay, so I removed this bolt, and here was the 4 terminals. Okay, the terminal was broken, so I very hardly removed this one, and in this place we fix this. Here are the 4 terminals. Okay, you can see 4 terminal here and 1 bolt is here. I fixed that terminal here with this wire I show you, and this one is my new box. Okay, this is new box, and here you can see these two are the lock. These locks are same like here. This is a old lock, and this one I fixed here like here. This is also lock, and this second side is lock is here. So these are all parts, new parts. One by one I show you, and after fixing it I show you how we can fix this one. So this one is a box, and these are all the small components which are belonging to this fuse box. You can see in the off camera I have fixed this battery cable here. Okay, and these are the blue socket and this is a gray socket. Okay, I also fixed a Y clamp to these two sockets here. Now I'm going to fix these two sockets here inside the fuse box. Okay, so here will come the two sockets, here will come gray, this blue socket will come here in this area, and in this area this gray socket will come here. Okay, so now I'm going to fix these sockets inside the fuse box. This blue one fixed. I'm going to green one. So gray one fixed here. This gray one. Okay, fixed. So here you can see I have fixed the connectors blue and gray into the fuse box, and also I have fixed the fuses in the fuse box. So now my work is completed. Okay, I have changed the fuse box. So now I'm going to fixing it back to its original place from where I removed it. So you can see I'm fixing it back here in this strip. Okay, so now I have fixed back this fuse box from where I removed it. So now this is the cover of these fuses. Now I also fixing this one. So it's my work is almost completed. I have changed the box and fixes new fuses. Now it's ready. Now this one is I'm going to fix battery wire back. Now machine is ready. Okay, start. Ready? Okay. Now the working okay, good one. Our problem is finished.